Okay guys, dumating na yung switch pump namin, automatic pump, close switch for automatic pump. Ito yung electric motor controller. Tawagin ay breaker. Yan. So, ito yung aking small office, table, PC. Yan, baon ko.